The Rapid Slicer. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Rapid Slicer, which is a slicing tool for your kitchen. The company sent this out for me to review. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The Rapid Slicer can slice cherry tomatoes, grapes, small fruits, vegetables, chicken, shrimp, and meats. It's simple in design and operation. This is made in the USA, BPA free, and dishwasher safe. It's easy to operate, just place the items inside the container and place the lid on the top. Then just slide the knife through. It's ideal to use a knife that is at least 7 inches in length. It's a two-piece design with the container and lid. You can see the indentations inside for holding the contents. Along with the non-slip grip on the bottom. It can hold about 1.5 to 2 cups of tomatoes, grapes, or olives. It comes in at about 6 inches all around, and about 1 inch in thickness. So let's see how it works. My lovely assistant will demonstrate using grapes and tomatoes. Start off by spreading the tomatoes in the container and gently place the lid on top. Take your knife and just slice through. The end results are perfectly sliced tomatoes in one pass. And now for the grapes. Same steps, fill it up and put the lid on top, and just slice through with the knife. And there you go, perfectly sliced grapes. The slicer works really well, and you can see how it efficiently cut the grapes and tomatoes. The Rapid Slicer. It can be used to cut fruits, vegetables, meats, shrimp, and chicken. It's simple in design and easy to use. If you tend to slice a few things in the kitchen, take a look at the Rapid Slicer to save you some time. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.